State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, W. Birahari, today launched SUGAMYA YATRA, also known as Accessible India campaign from Govindaji Temple. The campaign introduced a structured approach, focusing on making public buildings, transport networks like buses and trains, and digital platforms accessible to persons with disability. The campaign was jointly organized by State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities and Director of the Composing Regional Center in association with various NGOs. The campaign aims to fulfill all its obligation under Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016. As part of today's program, a mobile application, Yes to Access, was also launched. The campaign rally covered important public places such as Kangla, Kumanlampak Stadium, Imphal, Manipur University.
SUGAMYA YATRA is easily accessible city mo hin gadorim tawdorsi Govindaji tigi hana hujabani Govindaji chatkani Kangla chatkani Kumanlampak the PWD marketel mainly koina tawdorsi Imphal city sida barrier free accessible hin basini ko mobile app ama launch tawi Yes to Access Govindaji temple si accessible boidibra si koi apps ki mateng na upload tawgadorim ninga si apps sida koning mak si ki apps ki matungina koi tawjagadorin